Hey Tazzer! Guess who's getting a bath? This morning, I will be giving Taz a bath to start the video. Let's get on with it.
Come here. Yep. So this is how bath time with Taz usually goes. He usually hates being in the shower, he hates being in the bath, and he hates being wet, but then as soon as it's drying off time, he's ready to play! Come here, boy! Oh no! You slipped. Yeah, you gotta dry off your paws. Hey, don't you touch my Euros.
Well, now that my dog is clean, I'm absolutely disgusting because I just got coated in dog goo. But I mean a mixture of soap and water from Taz and all of his hair. So anyway, I gotta take a shower, and then today's video is just gonna be, I don't wanna say a boring video because I'm gonna keep it entertaining for sure, but it's not gonna have a lot of car content, I don't think. I'm gonna be doing a lot more personal stuff. I've kind of been falling behind on those things because of Vlogmas. Right now on my list, I just have buy tickets, which I did. That's a surprise. Watch Taz, which I did, and hang with Taz. Something else that I need to add to the list is clean out my car because my car is a disaster right now. There's tools all over it. There's just stuff everywhere, and I need to get it cleaned out and looking good. So that's gonna be an order of operation today, or a plan of attack, or whatever frick I'm trying to say. All right, boys. Jesus Christ, it's bright out. Yes, finally it's bright out. All right, boys, so I actually promised Taz that I would play some ball with him today, so I'm gonna do that. And then a slight change of plans. I might be cleaning the car out later, but not right now. I need to go to O'Reilly's, because apparently I ordered some brake lines like months ago, and I supposedly paid for them, and I had no idea. And they're just still sitting there, so I'm gonna go return those and get some money back. It's like spring, it's like 50 degrees. Oh, that was a bad one. That was a tree ball. That was my fault, boy. Alright, something I do definitely need to do is get a bunch of tools out of my car. These need to come out. These are super heavy. Alright, boys, now she is ready to rip. Oof. Alright, boys, so it's been a pretty long time since I've done any like car vlogging like this, where I have the GoPro set up and I just drive and talk, and I think today's gonna be the day. Today's gonna be the day that I go back to my roots. I used to do this a lot, where I would just string the GoPro up. If you guys feel like it, now that you're here watching this, if you guys are here watching this and you're like, huh, I wonder what his old videos used to look like, feel free to take a trip down memory lane on my channel, and you can see exactly what I used to do back in the day when I would do this all the time. Ugh. Alright, boys, so as you know, I'm on my way to O'Reilly's right now. Hopefully I can get some money back. That'd be freaking awesome. I don't ever recall paying for any parts from O'Reilly's that I didn't actually go pick up. So I don't know if maybe they accidentally double charged me, or I don't know what the deal is here. I'm gonna go find out though, because having people put money in your pocket is always a good feeling. I actually have no idea how to get there, so excuse me for being on my phone while driving, but I'm gonna Google map it. All right, so I kind of actually have a cool story to tell you guys. So yesterday I was on my way over to AutoZone to return my ignition coil because I ended up not needing it when I was working on my distributor the other day. So I'm walking into AutoZone, I'm kind of on a little bit of a time crunch, so I'm trying to be quick. And as I'm walking in, a man who is trying to replace his headlight bulbs stops me, and he asked me for some help. And I was like, well, frick, man, like, I'm like, you know, I really don't want to help this guy. Like, I usually get paid to like work for people like that, and it's like, man, I don't know. I wasn't like rude to the guy, but I was just like, oh, okay. Like, I went in, I like tried to help him, and you know, I took out his headlight bulb. He got access to it. I was like, all right, dude, listen, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go into AutoZone. I gotta return something. If you're still out here, I'll help you finish it. So I go into AutoZone, return my ignition coil, come back out. Guy's still there. He's still struggling. He's not like an old man or anything. He's just like an adult, like, I don't know, maybe late 30s, early 40s. I come back out and I help him change his headlight bulb. I helped him take the bulb out initially, and then I helped him put it back in when I came back out from AutoZone. I didn't really think anything of it. I just felt like I was lending a hand to someone that needed it. And like, I wasn't doing it for any other reason other than that. And anyway, the guy ended up giving me $10. And I was like, wow. Like, it was just super cool. Like, he just gave me money because I did like the simplest little thing for him. I don't know, I guess I like learned something yesterday. It's just like, if you see people that need your help, maybe it is a good idea to go out of your way and just lend them a hand once in a while, you know? You never know what can come of it. It's definitely a good experience for me. I'm glad I did it. He's glad I did it because he has a headlight in his car now. Also, I guess something else I want to talk about while I'm driving is Vlogmas. I want to talk about what I'm doing right now. So boys, the video that you're currently watching will be day 13 of Vlogmas. Today will be past the halfway point. Now, this is the most videos So I'm sorry that I just interrupted this video and now I'm here and not in my car, but I kind of had to do this. The GoPro sometimes messes up the audio and like it was basically unusable. So I'm just going to explain what I was talking about in this next part of the video while I was in my car. Right now, I apologize for interrupting the flow, but anyway, without further ado, here it is. With Vlogmas, I just feel like I've been very like forced or pressured to put up videos just by myself because I don't like to fail challenges when I set them for myself. So like, I feel like I've been trying really hard to put out videos, but I don't know if I've had the best content. So I kind of just want to know, are you guys cool with this format of video where I'm just driving around talking to the camera? Because that's super easy for me to make. I actually really enjoy that style of video, but just, I mean, I wouldn't do it all the time. Just saying, like on days where I don't really have much content, like I just want to know if that would be solid for you guys if you like that. Vlogmas is just getting really hard to constantly be editing every night and uploading. My internet is super slow, so it's really hard to get uploads onto YouTube at a reasonable hour. A lot of my uploads have been going up at like 7:30, 8:30, 9 p.m. sometimes. So I just want to let you guys know how I feel about Vlogmas. Also, there's a chance that I might not be able to upload like Monday or Tuesday next week. We'll see. I'm going to try really hard to get videos out during that time, but I will be out of town. So I don't know if it'll be possible, but I'm going to try my best. I'm going to try to do it. Don't want to lose Vlogmas. I don't want to break Vlogmas. I want to keep it going. I want to win this challenge. I want to keep this challenge going for myself and for you guys and for my dog Taz so that he can get lots of dog treats. Alright boys, so at this point in the video, I was driving to O'Reilly's, which you guys already know, and I went into O'Reilly's, and this next clip will be me coming out of O'Reilly's. So here we go. Boys, we got our money back, and we got an oil filter for the Civic. So for this car that I'm driving right now, so I'm finally doing an oil change. My oil is like literally pitch black right now. And that's pretty much all I have to say. That is the end of today's video. I know it's been a short one, probably, maybe not. I don't really know. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I definitely had fun making it. Watching Taz is always a blast. And it's kind of nice to just have like an easier video once in a while. Like this is a pretty easy video to make. And if you guys like this style of video where I just talk and drive, let me know because I'm definitely down to do more of these. So boys, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you dislike this video, get the heck out of here. Also, if you did like this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I don't know why I did the thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button and the bell, dude. Hit the bell. You know you want more of my videos. You know you want more Vlogmas. Let's go, boys. And as I always say, remember to plan, commit, execute, and attain your goals, boys. Bye. And wash your doggies.